Hello everyone. Welcome to TELLS Videtionary. Today, October 21st, our word of the day is nullify. N-U-L-L-I-F-Y. Nullify. Nullify is a 7-letter word and a verb. Remember, verbs are words that show action, occurrence, or state of being. Nullify means to make a legal agreement or decision have no legal force or to cause something to have no value or effect. Similar words include abate, abolish, abrogate, annul, avoid, cancel, repeal, rescind, vacate, void. Examples of sentences using nullify are: he used his broad executive powers to nullify decisions by local government. A peace treaty is an attempt to nullify aggression and division within a region. The state death penalty law was nullified in 1977. All my hard work was nullified when I lost my notes. Those not yet enforced are likely to be nullified by the High Court decision. He has a lawsuit pending with the District Court seeking a court decision to nullify the ministry decision. Make sure to save this new word, nullify, so you can practice using it in your everyday sentences. That's all for today. Thank you for spending your time with me. I hope you learnt something new. Don't forget to like and share this video, subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so you receive similar videos every day. Have a fulfilling day. See you tomorrow. Cheers.